I get that it's a big deal to trust someone with your hard-earned savings. The trick is knowing how to manage it so the reward your fixed income stays consistent, job growth. We even look at the local flood risk and planning permissions. They're not guessing, they're leaning on experience and data. Our projects span different regions, different property types. It's like packing an umbrella even when the forecast says sun. What you do need to know is this: your money's working with a team that's focused about getting it right. Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I want to talk about something that's at the heart of everything we do. How we balance risk and reward to protect your capital. If you're here, you're probably someone who values steady passive income, maybe from our UK property development projects, and you want to know your money's in the safe hands. I get that it's a big deal to trust someone with your hard-earned savings, and we don't take that lightly. So let's walk through how we approach risk management, just the thoughtful, honest steps we take every day to look after you. First off, let's be real. Every investment has risk. Property development's no exception. Prices can shift, timelines can stretch, unexpected costs can pop up. But here's the thing, risk isn't the enemy. It's just part of the equation. The trick is knowing how to manage it so the reward your fixed income stays consistent and secure. That's where we come in. Our approach starts with one core idea: we only take calculated risks. What does that mean? Well, before we even touch a project, we dig deep. We're not just picking sites because they look good on paper. We analyze market trends, house prices, rental demand, economic forecasts. We study the location, transport links, schools, job growth. We even look at the local flood risk and planning permissions. It's meticulous, but it's how we spot the winners and dodge the pitfalls. Now, I'm not saying we're perfect. No one can predict everything, but we've built a process that's disciplined and repeatable. Take our team, for example. We've got people who have been in property for decades. Surveyors, architects, financial advisors. They're not guessing, they're leaning on experience and data. And me, I'm just the person making sure we stick to the plan, humble enough to listen, confident enough to act when it counts. So how do we actually protect your capital? Let's break it down. Step 1, we diversify. We don't put all our eggs or your money in one basket. Our projects span different regions, different property types, some residential, some mixed use. If one market dips, another can hold steady. Step 2, we structure deals to prioritize you. With our fixed income model, you're not gambling on a maybe. We agree your return upfront, 7 or 8% a year locked in. That's paid from project refinancing or sales profits, not some distant hope it sells promise. And we don't over leverage. We keep debt at a reasonable level. So we're not scrambling if interest rates spike. It's about stability, not chasing wild profits. Step 3, and this is a big one. We stress test everything. Before we commit, we ask, what if construction costs jump 10%? What if the market slows and the house price drops by 20%? We run the numbers, build in buffers, and only move forward if our capital is still safe. It's like packing an umbrella even when the forecast says sun. We've walked away from deals that looked tempting but didn't pass the test. That's how seriously we take it. Look, I've seen what happens when people get greedy or lazy. Projects collapse, investors lose out. That's not us. We're in this for the long haul, building homes, creating value, and delivering for you. Our reward is seeing your fixed returns roll in year after year while we handle the heavy lifting. Now, I won't bore you with jargon like risk-adjusted returns or portfolio hedging. You don't need to know that stuff. That's our job. What you do need to know is this: your money's working with a team that's focused about getting it right. We're not here to gamble, we're here to grow your wealth quietly and reliably through UK property. One last thing, we're always listening. Markets change and we adapt, whether it's new regulations or shifts in buyer demand. But our promise doesn't waver. Your capital comes first. That's why we are transparent about our projects, why we're happy to chat if you've got questions. We're not some faceless firm. We are people who care about doing this well. So that's it. Our take on risk versus reward. It's not about avoiding risk altogether, it's about mastering it so you can sit back and enjoy the income. If that sounds like what you're after, stick around. Subscribe, drop a comment, or reach out. We'd love to tell you more about what we're building next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.